Hi everyone, welcome to Road to Cat 99. So basically in this video we will discuss that what could be the cutoffs based on the slot 1 analysis. So slot 1 has been over, it's been 2 days and I have talked to a lot of students regarding the difficulty level, right? And the reviews are almost the same for the sections, right? And based on this, so this is a very, I would say, quick review about the slot 1, and based on this we will see कि क्या cutoffs हो सकती हैं हमारी, right? So going one by one, right? So VRC was easy, right? VRC was on the doable side and easy ही था. A lot of students attempted 10 plus questions. LR की बात करूं, LR में a lot of questions were based on the assumptions, cause and effect, conclusion, statement based, डिकोडिंग के भी क्वेश्चंस थे, बट क्वेश्चंस थोड़े बहुत कई कई जगह लेंदी थे, बट द लास्ट क्वेश्चन और द फाइनल क्वेश्चन दैट वाज आस्क्ड इन ईच क्वेश्चन वाज very straightforward and could have been solved. A lot of students attempted good number of questions in the LR section, 22 plus questions attempt kiye with a very good accuracy. So I think VRC and LR was on the doable side. Quants was a little difficult, or I would say moderate, not difficult. I would categorize as easy to moderate. It would have been easy if you leave some questions which are of completely on the extreme difficult side, है ना? और मैंने इस पे वीडियो भी बनाया है जहाँ पे you can see all the 20 official questions. I have released the video. You can see the detailed solution on my channel only, right? So वहाँ पे आपको पता लग जाएगा किस टाइप के questions थे, और I would say 5-6 questions were there जहाँ जो आपको leave कर देने चाहिए थे. Rest of all were doable, right? And overall अगर मैं बात करूं, so I would consider the whole exam as on the easy to moderate side. Nothing was difficult, and since there is no sectional cutoff, you could have scored very well in the VRC and LR, and this could compensate the low score in the quants. So overall easy to moderate था, and depending on the number of attempts also, काफी काफी लोगों ने काफी अच्छे अटेम्प्ट्स किए. So cutoffs would have been similar to the last year cutoff only, right? There would be no change based on the slot 1 only. We don't know anything about the slot 2 or slot 3, right? So going ahead, right? First thing is join our Telegram group, right? There is a lot of discussions on the Telegram group, and also we have launched the decision making course for the ZAT 2025, where we have included all the decision making sections time wise and the complete solution and the live attempts, and also we included all the things around the QA and DI part, right? So you can enroll for the DM booster if you are planning for the ZAT 2025, right? Now let's move to the next thing. So Snap expected cutoffs and slot 1 is over, right? So slot 1 is over, right? So the expected cutoff is like this. This is again based on the initial impressions, right? The 99.9 would be somewhere around 47.5. There might be some plus minus 1 here and there, but I think it would be around 47.5 or 48 for the 99.9. 99 would be around 43.5 to 44.5, right? And 98 would be around 41.5 to 42 marks, and 95 would be around 38 or 38.5 or maybe 37.5, and 90 would be around 34.5, 35 marks. So this is how your cutoff should be based on the slot 1. And why the cutoffs are similar to the last year? Because I think the paper pattern or even the level of the paper was very similar as compared to the last year. Overall the paper was on the easy to moderate side, and I think that's why the cutoffs would be around 43, 44 marks, right? Coming on to the colleges, so let's go one by one. SIBM Pune shortlist the candidate on the north of the 98 percentile. So you will need 98. I would say 98 plus is a good spot to be in to receive the call from the SIBM Pune. For the SCM HRD, 97.5 or 97 is a good number. For the SIIB, it should be 95 plus. For the SIBM Bengaluru, around 92 percentile is good enough. For SIOM Nashik, it should be 90 plus. It is Nashik, not Nakshi, right? For the next slots, my advice is the paper level may vary, right? Last year also it happened. It happens every year that snaps के जो slot 1, slot 2, slot 3 है उसमें भी difficulty level change होता रहता है. So you may expect, you may not expect the same kind of paper in the upcoming slots, right? And sections difficulty can also change. अभी हमारा quants का section difficult आया था. Maybe in the next slot quant might be a little easier, and VRC or the LR might be a little difficult, or maybe all the three sections maybe go on the easier side, right? We never know what can happen in the next slots, but there will be no normalization, there will be no adjustments, and the overall cutoff will be the same for everyone. And the best attempt, if you have attempted for more than one slot, your best attempt will be taken as the final score. And I have uploaded the quant solution on my YouTube channel, where I have discussed the complete 20 questions for the snap that came on 8th of December of this year. So if you are appearing for the next slots, I would highly suggest to please go through all the questions, and that will also help you to analyze yourself about where you stand, what you need to do in the upcoming days. That's it from my side. Thank you and have a very happy day.